My scrap pile, which is basically the whole width under my workbench here, has been growing, and today I want to make something from it. Prove that it doesn't just accumulate forever, being a nuisance. Let's make some money from the scrap pile. You'll see me take a lot of wood here, but I'm not going to end up using it all. But at that point, I had no idea what I was making. I used to grab a lot of free wood discarded by companies in my industrial complex when I had a garage shop. And I still have some boards from then, like those 2x6s that I don't even know what they're made of. Seems like some really hard softwoods. If you have any idea, leave a comment. We'll be using them today. Those boards aren't straight at all, so to make them even usable on my joiner, I cut them in half. My plan for now with those is to make a nice glue up with multiple rows and butt planks, using what's usable as some of that wood is rotten dry too. With two sides jointed, I sent them to the planer and got both sides nice and flat. No more grayed out old outdoor wood. On the table saw, I got them at 1 inch wide, which should give me the look I'm going for. Those two boards had a little bit left, but I couldn't do another 1 inch slice, and I'm keeping those offcuts. I end up using them later as you'll see. Before the glue up, at the miter saw, I chopped off both ends fresh, removed any round parts. I hadn't realized I didn't plane them all equal until now, so this will look a little wonky for a glue up, but it'll work just fine once planed later. I got them aligned visually, cut off the excesses to use on other areas, and I ended up with a nice, more or less rectangle board to glue up. Add plenty of glue, both sides will be planed down if there's drips. Clamp it well, but not too much pressure. You don't want to twist it or curve it. If you want more builds like this, make money on the marketplace, please like and subscribe. Tons more of those coming, and I'd love to have you on board. Thanks to all subscribers. In my scraps, I had this other similar board, which I think is a shelf I tried to make out of the same wood, as it has finish on it. I'm ripping it into two 2x2s or whatever thickness this is, squared, to use as legs. On the miter saw, I cut them all to length, making sure all the sides were fresh cut and square. I measured the glue up for width and cut 4 parts, an eighth wider with the offcuts from earlier that I kept. So the next part you'll see me try something, gluing the parts offset off the legs, but as you'll see, I wasn't leaving enough space for a dowel or a screw, and it just wasn't a good idea, and by consequence, it failed. I kept it in there, because this is part of the creative process, trying things, but I fixed it live by putting the legs equal to the small pieces standing up, which helped keep it square and straight too. Before realizing this would fail, I went and cut the glue up in half for the top and bottom shelves of this build. I tried inserting into my assembly and it shifted it, making me realize that it won't work. So I adjusted to the other, more traditional technique. Once all that was back in clamps and glue, I drilled some 3/8 holes with an old pocket hole bit and got dowels in there with glue, holding the legs to the platforms. I got them deep in there. Both of those dowels were done for when I was done. After that, I used the countersink drill bit and got it secured from under the shelves to the side braces. So now everything is holding something else really well. I don't want to go too hard on sanding and edging. I like the squared hardness of this piece, so I went easy on the sanding, making sure it was safe and looked nice. I gave it 2 coats of water-based poly, sanding between the coats, and it did great on this, not yellowing it like other products could. This is now ready to sell, and I'm happy it was made from literal scraps under my bench. I have more ideas from what I saw earlier, so you'll see me back in there soon. Subscribe for more, and see you next time.